What's up, guys? Just want to make a video here on the EOS Bitcoin chart, my analysis and why I'm taking these longs here on EOS. So, as you can see on the majors, and a lot of majors have actually looked like this as well. They've come out of this formation of a bottoming pattern. We've seen some nice run ups and we've seen some pullbacks here, as you can see. Now, just starting off, as you can see. We've had a nice little retracement here from this resistance area on the 3-day chart, as you can see, heavy resistance here. And we've pulled back now into the 61.8% retracement mark, which is classed as the golden spot. Now, there's two reasons I take these setups now, and one being here, as you can see, we call this the SFP divergence long in the group. And what you can actually see here is you get this SFP here, so this comes aligned perfectly at the support level, as you can see. Look, the support level here of this breakout from the lows. So on the 4-hour chart now, we have this SFP, as you can see, just closes slightly below and does a swing failure pattern, coming straight into that support level, as you can see. Now, also what we like to see for a bit of confluence is an RSI divergence. Now, with the RSI, the probabilities when you have an oversold reading on an RSI is that there is more likely to be a bounce. Now, try to break through a key support area when you're oversold. The probabilities will just decrease. So this is why we actually look for the RSI not to just have a divergence, but also be oversold as well, as you can see. Now, if you're aware of oscillators and you've done your research into them, you'll notice that the RSI actually is based on the candle closes. So to see this with a line chart, as you can see here on the line chart, we do actually create a lower low while the RSI is creating a higher low. So that is an important factor when you're looking for your divergences as well. So you can see if you just take the closes, that the close here was lower, plus we have the SFP. So that is a reversal point for us. We look to take the long. Now, once we have this main idea in our swing account, then we can start looking for more higher leverage trades, some scalps, and just to actually maximize profits on swings with ads if we wish to. So as you can see now, we have this breakout here on the 4-hour, creating higher lows, higher highs. And as you can see here on the 1-hour as well, we've got this. It's more, I prefer to do regional spots. So as you can see, we've got this region from this wick, and we're wicking about, we try to break above, and then we had this like inverse head and shoulders excuse me, and we broke out of that. So now we're retesting this breakout spot, and what do we have once again? Let me just, and then once again, what do we have? We have another SFP. As you can see, right, this candle here was the low for us. As soon as we pinched this at that support level, then we had the entry. Now, also once again, we look at the RSI here on the 15-minute chart. We have the divergence. You can see it pretty clearly here, but just for the sake of it, as you can see with the daily closes as well, we have the divergence. So we've done the same setup twice. You just focus on a couple of setups. We focus on a couple of setups. And all you need to do is just be repetitive, manage your risk correctly. So for example, with this, my stop would just be, give it a bit of wiggle room around about here, 4255. Always use 1% risk. I do. It's up to you if you want to use 2. Some people use 2.5. For me personally, 1%. It's the best way to do it. Just keep your risk low, and just compound. So that is the reason I've taken this EOS trade. Happy trading, everyone. Thanks for watching.